'Cause I may be bad, but I'm perfectly good at it. Sex in the air, I don't care, I love the smell of it. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but chains and whips excite me. 'Cause I may be bad, but I'm perfectly good at it. Sex in the air, I don't care, I love the smell of it. Sticks and stones.
Hey everyone, it's Layla, your Sin City makeup artist here. Today I'm going to do a hair tutorial. I saw Rihanna's video called S&M, which I think is amazing video. It's so cool. She also did probably like, I don't know, probably about 5 to 6 different looks, but I really liked this one look. I'll leave pictures in the description box below of the look that I'm trying to achieve today. It's great. It's 80s, total 80s inspired, which I love. She's got real crimpy hair in it. I don't own a crimper, so this is my take on how to get crimpy hair. I would suggest maybe leave it in for probably about another hour. I left it in for only about a half hour, 45 minutes, and you can kind of tell where some of it didn't take the braid. The top took it really, really well. Yeah, so if you also want to know how I did my makeup, because this is also the look that she did along with the hair. It's also Rihanna inspired. Click right here and I'll send you directly to that makeup tutorial, and all of the makeup is used with amazing cosmetic line Sugar Pill. All right, let's get to it. What you will need is a brush, a clip of any kind will do, a teasing comb, and make sure that there is a point on the end. Also lots and lots of tiny rubber bands. Hairspray, a hair tie, and a water bottle. First, we're going to part our hair on the top, so separate in one tiny section and clip it off, then pull the rest of your hair back into a ponytail. Make it nice and tight and secure. Then take down the section part off another tiny section, use a little bit of hairspray and a couple squirts of water to dampen it. Now we're going to do a braid. Tie it off with the tiny rubber band. Now do the same thing to the rest of the portion that has been sectioned off. Now braid all the way down till there's no more hair. My hair is kind of different because I have layers, so I leave the ends. Now take down the rest of your hair, part from right behind your ear, and pull the rest back into a ponytail. Now we're going to do the exact same thing to this portion that has been sectioned off. Now you're going to do the exact same thing to the rest of your hair. Now lightly hairspray your hair and run a flat iron over each braid. What this does is it locks in the heat and the hairspray so that you can get a nice tight crimp. Start taking out your rubber bands. Then start taking apart your braids. Then style however you like. So I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys push that button up above that says subscribe, and so you can see the rest of my videos. Okay, until next time. Bye.
'Cause I may be bad.